Ever wonder why ChatGPT has taken the world by storm? Today, we're diving into the top 10 reasons why you should be using ChatGPT. From boosting your productivity to enhancing your creativity, there's something in it for everyone. Kicking off the list at number 10, we have 24/7 availability. Picture this. It's the middle of the night, and you suddenly remember a pressing question about tomorrow's presentation. Who can you turn to when it's 2 a.m. and all your friends are fast asleep? That's where ChatGPT shines. It's always there, ready to assist you at any time, day or night. Whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter or a professional working across time zones, ChatGPT's around-the-clock presence means you're never left hanging. No waiting for business hours, no searching for a human to help. Just open the app, type your question, and boom, instant answers. For night owls and early birds alike, this feature is a real lifesaver. And the best part? It's available on multiple platforms. So whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, help is always just a few clicks away. Coming in at number 9, we have instant answers. Now, imagine you're deep in the weeds with a complex math problem, or trying to untangle the intricacies of a scientific concept. The last thing you want to do is spend hours sifting through multiple websites, academic papers, or outdated forums. With ChatGPT, you get fast, straightforward answers to even the most complicated queries. Need help balancing chemical equations, calculating interest rates, or understanding quantum physics? No need to waste time scrolling through endless links. Just ask ChatGPT, and it delivers clear, concise explanations in seconds. And while it won't do all your homework for you, it can certainly make tackling tough questions a whole lot easier. This makes it an ideal companion for students, professionals, and lifelong learners looking to level up their knowledge game. At number 8 is brainstorming, one of ChatGPT's most underrated talents. Have you ever hit a wall while trying to come up with new ideas? Whether you're a writer staring at a blank page, a content creator trying to map out your next viral video, or an entrepreneur brainstorming business ideas, ChatGPT is your creative sidekick. It can generate lists of potential topics, suggest different angles for approaching a problem, or even offer feedback on your ideas. Struggling to find a unique tagline or product name? ChatGPT can help with that too. The ability to tap into endless creativity makes it invaluable for anyone looking to spark inspiration when the well runs dry. It's like having a brainstorming partner that never tires, never gets stuck, and always has fresh suggestions at the ready. Sliding into number 7, we have learning new skills and subjects. The world is constantly evolving, and whether you're picking up coding for the first time, diving into advanced calculus, or trying to master a foreign language, ChatGPT acts like a personal tutor. But instead of waiting for scheduled lessons, you have access to instant learning, customized to your pace. Want to understand a programming concept or learn how to write an essay in a new style? Simply ask ChatGPT and it will walk you through the steps. With its ability to explain things in plain language, ChatGPT breaks down even the toughest topics so you can learn at your own speed without the pressure of formal schooling. It's like having a teacher who's always ready to give you that one-on-one attention without the hefty price tag. Next up at number 6 is saving time on research. We all know the feeling. You have a deadline looming and you need information fast. Whether you're pulling together a presentation for work, writing a research paper for school, or just curious about a topic, ChatGPT can pull together key facts and insights quickly. Gone are the days of spending hours reading articles, sorting through conflicting information, or jumping from one website to another. Need to summarize a long article or get a quick explanation on an obscure topic? ChatGPT can digest huge amounts of information and deliver the essentials right to you. It's like having an encyclopedia that's constantly updating itself to give you the most relevant, accurate, and up-to-date information, all in a fraction of the time it would take to do traditional research. At number 5, let's talk about personalization. ChatGPT isn't a one-size-fits-all assistant. Its responses can be tailored based on your tone, needs, and the context of your question. Need to write a formal letter to a potential client? ChatGPT can help you craft a professional message. Want something more casual for a text to a friend? It can do that too. The real beauty lies in how adaptable it is to your specific needs. The more detailed you are with your requests, the more precise and helpful the responses become. From drafting emails and essays to providing personalized advice, ChatGPT's flexibility makes it feel like a highly customized tool for any task you throw at it. Before we continue, let me know in the comments if you've learned something new so far. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." We'll do our best to respond and welcome you to the community. At number 4 is ChatGPT's versatility. Whether you're using it for personal, professional, or academic purposes, ChatGPT adapts seamlessly to different needs. Need to debug a piece of code? ChatGPT can assist. Planning a family vacation and unsure about the best itinerary? It can suggest personalized travel plans. Looking for help drafting a business proposal? ChatGPT's got your back. Its ability to wear many hats is what truly sets it apart. It's not just a tool for one specific thing. It's the Swiss Army knife of digital assistance. Whether you're drafting blog posts, editing content, or even mapping out life goals, ChatGPT rises to the occasion with remarkable versatility. Cracking into the top 3, we have improving productivity. In a world where time is money, ChatGPT helps you get more done in less time. By automating small tasks like creating to-do lists, scheduling, or even managing emails, ChatGPT clears your plate of mundane tasks so you can focus on the big picture. With ChatGPT at your side, you can delegate repetitive work and focus on the creative or strategic parts of your day. It's not just about working faster, it's about working smarter. Imagine how much more you could accomplish with an AI assistant handling the time-consuming bits while you tackle the most important challenges. And number 2 is ChatGPT's easy-to-use interface. You don't have to be a tech guru to start using it. In fact, its clean, intuitive design makes it accessible to virtually anyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone who's not particularly tech-savvy, ChatGPT is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. With a simple chat interface, you can start asking questions or generating responses immediately. No complicated menus or steep learning curves, just a straightforward user-centric experience that lets you focus on what matters, getting the help you need. And it's not just for desktop users, it works seamlessly across mobile platforms as well. And finally, at the top spot, number 1. Enhancing creativity and innovation. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a musician, or a problem solver, ChatGPT supercharges your creative process. It can help generate new ideas, provide alternative perspectives, or even refine what you've already created. Stuck on a plot twist? Need help with lyrics? ChatGPT is like a creative collaborator with endless imagination. It's not just about giving answers. It's about pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible. With ChatGPT, you're not limited to your own knowledge. You have a tool that helps you break out of the box and explore new possibilities. And there you have it, the top 10 reasons why you should be using ChatGPT. From boosting your productivity to unlocking your creative potential, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's your ultimate tool for success in today's fast-paced world. If this video helped you discover new ways to use ChatGPT, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tech tips, tricks, and deep dives. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with the power of AI at your fingertips.